Hello, I'm Eric Landon with Citrus County Growth Management.
I am Craig Dalton, Citrus County Property Appraiser.
And we wanted to come to you and give you a brief message of what's going on as far as the recovery efforts with the hurricane. And we picked this particular location, which is Fort Island Beach.
Just look at the destruction behind us. We know that this is what has been felt. We know that this is a depiction of what even our residents are dealing with, what our commercial businesses are dealing with. 4 hurricanes in 14 months, 2 tornadoes. The tragedy is unreal. Our thoughts and prayers are still going out to our citizens and all those affected by Hurricane Helene and Hurricane Milton.
Absolutely, and you've probably seen things on social media that may or may not be true. So anyway, we kind of wanted to set the record straight on the work that we're doing as a county and as the Property Appraiser's Office to help you recover from the storm. The first thing I wanted to mention is beginning this week and carrying on for the next several weeks, we're going to have teams of folks out doing damage assessment. So you'll see Citrus County employees along with a company called Tidal Basin, which was hired by the state to go door to door and let people know what their options are and see what kind of damage was done. They'll easily be recognized and you can ask for their ID if you see them on site.
We also have our staff out in the field as well. We started that on Monday. We definitely didn't want to do it right out the gate, Eric. We wanted to make sure that our citizens had some time to just breathe, and we've been out since Monday for sure.
And then the second thing I wanted to mention is if you're not sure you need a building permit, if you think you might need a building permit, you probably do need a building permit. So before you begin any work, before you waste any time, any money, please give our office a call and find out for sure. Now, we have currently waived building permit fees for any storm recovery efforts. So the only thing it'll cost you is just the 2 minutes it'll take to make that call. There's going to be a person on the other line. You're not calling an answering machine, and they answer your call on average less than 2 minutes.
You can also easily access our website. It's citruspa.org. Right up at the top, we've given easy access to being able to do a self-reporting of storm damage. So if you report your storm damage, from this point forward, you can go online. It literally takes you less than 1 minute to do. We will send a field appraiser out to your property, and what we can do is we can assess the damage to your property and make changes accordingly, which will definitely help you on your assessed value of your home. We definitely want to make sure we get that out to our citizens.
So after someone comes to your house, what happens next? So they'll do a calculation based on the amount of damage that you have. Typically, it'll be the amount of water that you had in your structure. They'll do a calculation that is based on FEMA math. They will send you a letter and they will say whether or not your structure was substantially damaged. Very, very important. If it's substantially damaged, please contact our office. We can direct you how to mitigate your improvements or your repairs. If you're not substantially damaged, then you can go ahead and proceed with fixing your home. I can't stress enough, please give us a call. We don't want you to waste any of your time or money on repairs that may not be permittable. So we'll help you. The permits are free. Just give us a call and we'll take each case one at a time.
I think what's important with the substantially complete letter that you'd be getting from them, obviously you would want to work that through Citrus County government, but also hold that for your records. After you pay your tax bill that will be going out in a couple weeks, we will be putting out information in late November, early December, possibly early January, where there is going to be a tax abatement or a tax refund. And so you can use that letter as part of the evidence or documentation to give to our office. We could possibly be able to give you a tax refund, further helping you with some financial resources to help you get you back on your feet. Because at the end of the day, we care about our Citrus County residents and we want to make sure they get, again, the correct information.
And then finally, why do I care about these damage assessments? Why do I want to wait on this letter? Why do I want to participate with the county to get permits? And the reason is Citrus County is part of the National Flood Insurance Program, and that allows FEMA-backed flood insurance policies in the county. If we don't participate in that program, then we get put on probation as a county. We can't have new flood policies. If we continue not to participate, then we can't have flood policies at all in the county. So it's vitally important for those that are in harm's way to have those flood policies so that they can have mortgages on their homes. So that's why we participate. And Citrus County is one of the best in the state as far as participating. I would say we're in the top 5%. And because we participate so fully, we have 25% savings on current flood insurance policies, which saves Citrus County taxpayers over $1 million annually.
That's a big deal. I know we're both homeowners. Again, we just ask that you visit our website, follow us on social media. I know that you provided a phone number a little while ago. You can stop in at either of our two offices, Inverness or Meadowcrest. Meadowcrest would be easier for those that probably were greatly more affected by the hurricane. You can stop by our Meadowcrest office between 8:30 and 5 p.m. every day, or you can call us at 352-341-6600. Or, just give us a call. You can use our live chat feature on our website. I think the best thing that our citizens can do for us, and even with Eric, you and your staff, is ask the questions. Make sure you reach out to us and ask the questions so you know exactly what the right answer is. Don't always follow what your friends are saying on social media or in social media networks or out on the ball fields. Call us and ask those questions, and we'd be more than happy to answer those questions moving forward.
Absolutely. Ditto that.
Ditto.
Thank you.